Can I call you Rose? 'Cause you're sweet like a flower in bloom.
Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're checking out the Cromwell in Vegas, going to tour the room, the casino, and all the little details to see if it lives up to the hype.
Hey guys, we're back here in Las Vegas. We're at the Cromwell Casino. Our first time staying here. We already got checked in. Looks like we're gonna be on the 7th floor. Let's go check it out. Nice little touch to the elevator, but you can see it is a little bit beat up a little bit. So guys, we stayed in the luxury king room, strip view. The room was comped because I'm Diamond Elite, and you can check out the regular pricing here on the left.
Alright guys, welcome to the luxury room at the Cromwell here in Vegas. The whole vibe in here is kind of classy but still cozy. Lots of dark tones though, soft lighting, and that boutique feel they're known for. Now, it does come with 2 queen beds, and the setup looks pretty clean and stylish at first glance. But I gotta be honest, if you look at the bottom of the beds, they're a little worn down. Not a deal breaker, but definitely something I noticed. Overall though, the room's got a cool atmosphere and a nice mix of comfort and style. Alright, so over here we've got this big furniture setup with the Keurig on top. Super handy if you need that caffeine hit before heading out. They've also got a bunch of snacks laid out, but just a warning, everything here costs money, so don't grab anything without checking. Inside the drawers, you'll find the safe tucked away, but easy enough to use once you spot it. And the mini fridge is fully stocked with drinks, but yep, those are all extra charges too. Just stuff to keep in mind while you're checking out the room. Here's a sofa, simple, comfy, and perfect for dropping your stuff after a long day. The wall art has that artsy Gatsby vibe, and right beside it is a see-through mirror where you can actually see into the shower. So be mindful of that, guys, if you're with a friend. On my way to check out the view, I spotted tape on the laminated floors. It looked really off and honestly gave me a downgraded feeling, guys. So the view wasn't great. The windows really small, dirty on the outside, and all you can really see are the Flamingo windows right in front of you. It's definitely not the strip view that they advertise, guys. You can barely see anything, and the curtain itself looked old and kind of dirty, which didn't help the vibe. There's a small vanity that actually looks pretty nice. Perfect spot to do your makeup or get ready, like you're about to step out for a show. The closet's pretty spacious, comes with an iron and ironing board, and has plenty of room for clothes and stuff. But honestly, the outside looks really worn down, and it kind of gave me a downgraded feeling as well. The bathroom starts with a small but chic vanity, compact but yet stylish. The shower is really nice too, with detailed tiles that even have like writing on them, giving it a unique boutique vibe. But as you can see, it does need a little repairing. So walking through the casino, it gives me that calmness with slots all around, is relaxed and low-key, not that crazy Vegas energy that you usually expect.
Another pro is the boutique hotel feel. It's smaller in size. Like I said, it only has like 178 rooms, I believe. It's more exclusive. It's less crowded than most of the mega resorts.
The game tables are set up nicely, perfect for a few hands of poker or blackjack without feeling too crowded. So the sportsbook, it's not that big but not that small either. It's a decent size with big screens, and it's easy to catch all the games, and the seating makes it chill to watch without feeling packed. Now, the bound back bar at this hotel is very stylish. It's a perfect spot to grab a drink and just soak in the Vegas vibe, guys. So let's talk about food options here. So as I ride up the escalators to Giada at the Cromwell, the atmosphere already starts to change. It feels brighter, lighter, almost like you're stepping into a little place of California right in the middle of Vegas. When you walk in, the first thing you notice is the warm, open vibe. Big windows, soft colors, that airy coastal feel. It's inviting without trying too hard. Giada's menu is all about Italian with a fresh, modern twist. Think handmade pastas, bright citrus flavors, and those signature lemony, herb-forward dishes. It's the kind of place where you can go for a relaxed brunch or a nice dinner. So if you're craving coffee, yes, they do have a Starbucks. When you go to the counter, you can notice that it's really nice and really open. But guess what? They only have a very small area where you can drink your coffee or chill out. So just be mindful of that.
So guys, what you're looking at right here is Dre's nightclub. It's down in this new basement that they have right here. They closed down the rooftop at the end of the month of October after Halloween. So this will be the new location for Dre's nightclub. So if you haven't already heard, the Cromwell is going to become the Vanderpump Hotel. It's a new adventure with, I think her name Lisa Vanderpump. And this should be opening early 2026. And when they do reopen the rooftop, it's going to be transferred into a luxury pool, and it's going to be an event space, and it's replacing the current Dre's rooftop operations. So guys, some of the pros is the exit location on the strip. It's near all the major attractions. You can cross over one bridge and hit Caesar's Palace, and then you can go over the other bridge and you'll actually be right at the Horseshoe. Another pro here is that you're able to, if you're a guest here, you're able to use the pools at the other locations, Caesar's, Flamingo, Linq's, Horseshoe. So you can use the pools of the other casinos that are Caesar's rewards properties. So restaurants, they don't have any food courts. They don't have any late night spots where you can grab something to eat. So you're gonna have to leave out of the hotel, go over to the Flamingo or the Linq's promenade, and to get you late night eats and stuff like that. So there's none of that inside the Cromwell. That's a con. Another con was the room size. The conditions, they might not match that luxury expectations. It's like we showed you. They did have a lot of wear and dated furniture. And one thing I didn't like was the dark rooms, very dark rooms. But overall, I'm going to rate the Cromwell a 4 out of 5. And with that said, the Cromwell is L&H approved.
Overall, our stay at the Cromwell was pretty nice. The room had style, the casino and bar were fun, and even with a few worn down spots, it still gave me that classic Vegas vibe. Definitely a solid experience. So would we stay here again? Yes, it's gonna be a yes, guys.